if you see that home, that gray home that we're looking at, that was built in a factory.
Oh yeah, was my hair like that the whole speech?
No.
What's up guys? We just had such an amazing event and I am so grateful for kind of this whole experience. Check out this beautiful manufactured home that we put right on the National Mall with the beautiful Capitol building in the background. I think one of the most important things that I want people to know is that everyone here has been doing a great job of talking about the homes, but I often think we forget to talk about the people that we're serving. These homes that we're building are not for the rich and the wealthy. You know, I grew up with a single mom that had to struggle with rent. I dropped out of school just to help her pay for rent every month, just to make ends meet. And I know that today there are people out there that are in the shoes that I was in, struggling to pay rent with fears of not knowing if they're gonna make ends meet at the end of every single month. There's teachers, there's waiters, there's construction workers out there that have this stress that they shouldn't have, and they're great people. And these people feel that the American dream of home ownership is not possible because guess what? It's so difficult for people to be able to get out of this rent cycle into home ownership. Unfortunately, with the way things are going, the cost of material is going up. The cost of construction is going up. It's getting harder and harder to get skilled labor, and that dream of homeownership is getting far and harder to attain. So we need more innovative, disruptive ways to build quality homes for the working class. So just like in the past where these cars were really only meant for the rich and the wealthy, it was only until we started building these in a factory on an assembly line where we were able to get cars available to everybody. And that right here, this beautiful home right here, is a factory built home that was built in a factory on an assembly line, and we're doing this continuously. And there's no better place in our country to showcase what we're doing other than putting it right here on the National Mall of the United States of America. This is a home that we've continuously built, and I've personally seen it help so many families get their first piece of home ownership here. And these homes today are helping the middle class pursue that dream of home ownership. These are the most affordable and most eco-friendly, quality build homes that we are building in our country. We have to protect equal opportunity to accessible ownership, for financial security, for financial freedom for these hardworking families. We have to protect the way these homes are being built in the factories. We have to protect the manufactured home communities, the mobile home communities, and continue to create equal opportunity for financial freedom like this. And this is something our country should be fighting to protect. It is our duty, and this is why we wake up every single morning to work hard on what we're doing. It's to protect equal opportunity and financial freedom for the working class, for the people that really need this, and the people that are low income and feel like the dream of home ownership isn't attainable. We have to keep that possible, and it's so important to me. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.